Yeah, hello students and the viewers. In the previous two classes, we completed direct, indirect, your assertive sentences, that is your affirmative and negative sentences, then imperative sentences. Okay, how to convert affirmative or negative sentences into indirect speech, and it is very essential. It is very important also. Okay, so commonly if you try to speak English, you want to answer any questions, you want to face an interview, so easily you can do it. Okay, if you learn the tenses and modals, it's no problem. Even passive voice, that also you can use. If anybody is asking any question in active voice, you can give the answer in passive also. But problem comes when you are facing this type of problem, when direct indirect speech is there. Okay, that creates a trouble because so many rules and regulations are there. But as I was telling you, we have the shortcut also, that I will let you know. So first of all, let us see. Today our topic is interrogative sentences. How to convert interrogative sentences with WS family. In the previous class I also taught you, I think we also completed interrogation with helping verbs and modals, right? You got it. Interrogation with helping verbs. Helping verbs: do, does, am, is, are, have, has, okay, was, were, had, shall, will, also many helping verbs. We can put questions. Anybody can put questions with the help of helping verbs and modals. So that rules are different. But today our topic is interrogation with WS family members. Think करो कि yesterday you went to the office. You were late. Okay, you could not reach the office in time. So obviously your boss will ask you, isn't it? See the example here. Interrogation with WS family. The rules, as I told you earlier also, said to converts into asked, said to asked में बदलता है. And conjunction is your the same WS family, that you have to remember. The same WS family. The WS family that is used to put the question. See, the question is here. My boss said to me. मेरे बॉस मेरे से पूछा था. Said to me, why are you so late today? आज आप इतने लेट क्यों हो? It's very common thing. Those who are doing jobs, they know. It's very common. This thing happens. The boss is asking you, ki, why are you so late today? You want to tell me because you are involved. First person, second person. You are telling, if you want to tell me, कि what did your boss tell you? अगर आप मुझे बात बोलना चाहते हो कि बॉस ने क्या पूछा था, तो आपको ये नहीं बोल सकते हो my boss said to me why are you so late. Commonly so many people they do it. Okay, directly that same statement you are telling, my boss said to me why are you so late. So that is not the right way. The right way is that you have to use the indirect speech. The indirect speech is my boss asked me, said to converts into asked is a rule process. My boss asked me why, same WS family as it is written here, the same WS family. Why? Now here why is the interrogation. Previous सेंटेंस में क्या था? why एक इंट्रोगेशन था, क्वेश्चन था, और अगले सेंटेंस में ये why कंजंक्शन का रूप ले लिया. ओके, why देखो यहाँ पे why are you, why के बाद क्या हुआ? WS family प्लस हेल्पिंग वर्ब, इसी तो क्वेश्चन बनाया जाता है. why are you so late? दैट इज क्वेश्चन. आंसर में क्या होता है? ये why कंजंक्शन के रूप ले लिया. why के बाद I सब्जेक्ट आ गया. why I was so late. ओके, why are you so late? why I was so late that day. अगर वो दो दिन काल की बात है या 2 दिन पहले की बात है तो आपको that day लगाना पड़ेगा. और आज के बाद अगर हो, आप मुझे आज ही बता रहे हो, तो today you can use. why I was, क्योंकि मॉर्निंग का टाइम चला गया, आप इवनिंग में मुझे बता रहे हो, तो टुडे लगा सकते हो, क्योंकि उसी दिन के अंदर अगर वो कन्वर्सेशन हो रहा है. अगर समझो इस बातों को, अगर नहीं है, सपोज अर्लियर इट हैड हैपेंड एंड यू आर टेलिंग दिस, देन यू हैव टू यूज दैट डे. टुडे को दैट डे में बदल दिया जाता है. रीजन इज हियर सेड टू, पास्ट टेंस. ओके, नाउ क्वेश्चन कम्स, दिस इज योर क्लॉज. इसके हम अगर क्लॉज पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देखें तो विच क्लॉज? इट इज नाउन क्लॉज. हाउ कैन वी कम टू नो इट इज अ नाउन क्लॉज? माई बॉस आस्क्ड मी, अगर हमें यहाँ पे व्हाट नाम के क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं, माई बॉस आस्क्ड मी व्हाट, बॉस ने क्या पूछा था, तो उसका जो भी जवाब आएगा, अगर उस जवाब में डब्ल्यू कंजंक्शन होता है, सबनेटिंग कंजंक्शन, देन सब्जेक्ट, देन मेन वर्ब. आई वॉज इज टू बी फॉर मेन वर्ब हियर. व्हाई आई वॉज सो लेट. तो दिस इज ए क्लॉज सेंटेंस. इस क्लॉज को हम नाउन क्लॉज कहते हैं. ओके, तो दिस इज ए प्रोसेस. इन दिस वे ऑल्सो यू कैन आंसर. इफ यू आर अपियरिंग एनी ऑफ द एंट्रांसेस, कोई भी एंट्रांस या तो CBSE ICSE के एग्जाम में भी आते हैं ये सारे डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट, तो आपको इसी तरीके से आप लिखोगे, यूज करो. ओके, एनी ऑफ द एंट्रांसेस इफ यू आर फेसिंग, एज आई टोल्ड यू अर्लियर ऑल्सो, दिस वे यू हैव टू डू. सी द सेम. नाउ शॉर्टकट इज देयर. शॉर्टकट इज व्हाट? बाय कन्वर्टिंग दिस क्लॉजेस इनटू फ्रेजेस. हम इसको फ्रेज में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. कैसे? देखो, दिस इज फ्रेज. In common spoken English, you should not use the same statement. Instead, you can use this. My boss wanted to know. ये क्वेश्चन में क्या होगा? Wanted to know, जानने के लिए, जानना चाहा था. Wanted to know, to infinitive. The to know is to infinitive. Wanted to know what? The reason of my late coming. आने का रीजन, क्यों लेट मैं पहुंचा. तो आप यहाँ पे क्या है, ना कंजंक्शन है, ना सब्जेक्ट है, ना मेन वर्ब है. Whenever we convert any clause into phrases, then we'll remove everything. No conjunction, no subject, no main verb. So here is no conjunction. You see conjunction. Why? कहीं पे why है? नहीं है. Then I, is there I? I is not there. Was is also not there. तो my boss wanted to know the reason. ये why reason में बदल गया. देखो, reason, why मतलब reason है. My boss wanted to know, and now you are telling to me this fact. बॉस ने क्या चाहा? My boss wanted to know the reason of my late coming. ओके, ये कमिंग जो है, ये कमिंग एक नाउन हो गया. आप कमिंग कोई वर्ब नहीं है यहाँ पे. लेट कमिंग, कमिंग को बदले में आप अराइवल भी लिख सकते हो. माई लेट अराइवल. ओके, द रीजन ऑफ माई लेट अराइवल. रीजन क्यों हुआ? रीजन के व्हाई के हटा के हमने यह रीजन डाल दिया. ओके, जैसे when, time, where, place, why, reason, how, process. So all the WS families are interrelated with the nouns. That you have to understand. Then only easily you can convert into phrases from the clauses. Okay, so 3 clauses we are getting. Either it could be a noun clause, adjective clause, or adverb clause. So all the clauses we can convert into phrases. Okay, that technique we should know. And moreover, you should do it more and more. More practice exercises will help you. Okay, you are speaking, you can speak English well, but whenever direct indirect comes, at that moment if you are using wrong, or you are unable to express it out in a right way, in written, either or in written or in spoken, so definitely that expression is not the right expression. You cannot repeat that same statement. As I am telling you, commonly people, so many people, they do it. Same statement, why are you so late? So you should not do it. You understood this? Either you use the clause or the phrases. Phrases are the best option to, in common interaction that we use. Or in exam, if you are appearing the exam, then you should follow the clause process. Okay. I think you got it. So you can have one more example. Just I am showing you. Okay.